Hi Year 10, this is the last video for our booklet and it's on further expansions. Now the first thing we're going to talk about are perfect squares. Now a perfect square is something that looks like this. It has this pattern, a plus b all squared, and when we expand it out we end up with a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So in other words, the first term is squared. We add twice the product of the first and last terms and the square of the last term. Let's have a practice of that and see if that makes a bit more sense when we actually do it. Okay, x plus 3 all squared. A plus b squared. So x is a, b is 3. So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That's our formula. So a is x squared. B is 9, 3 squared. Now this middle term is 2 times a times b. So 2 times x times 3, which is 6x. So our answer is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so this time a is x, b is negative 5. So a squared, x squared, b squared, positive 25, and then we have to do 2 times a times b, which will give us negative 10x. So we're following this formula here. Choose a few in the box to have a go at and check your answers on the next page. Okay, these ones are just a little bit more complicated. A plus b all squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, let's look at the first one. So in the first one, a is 5x. So a squared will be 25x squared. B is 1, so b squared will be 1. Now the 2ab will be 2 times 5x times 1, which is 10x. Let's try the next one. A is 4, so a squared is 16. Minus 3 squared is 9x. And then multiplying 2 times a times b. Well, a times b is negative 12, so 2 times is negative 24x. Okay, I'm going to go down and do these ones in the box, and then you can have some time to practice. So I've got 4x to the power of 4, so 2x squared all squared, plus 3 squared, which is 9, and then I'm going to times those two terms and double it. And the last one, now this one's a little tricky. We've got 5 minus brackets x squared plus, well, 2 times a times b gives us 4x. Now we're going to expand that out, so minus goes in front of everything. And then we can simplify the 5 and the 4. Excellent. Okay, choose a few examples to work on. Check your answers on the next page. Okay, have a look at this one. we've got 2x plus 3, and then we've got x squared plus 4x plus 5. So we're going to multiply everything by 2x, 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus 10x, and then everything by 3. Plus 3x squared plus 12x plus 15. And then simplify by getting our like terms together. So our squares, (22x) and 15. Let's do one more of these. So everything gets multiplied by x. And everything gets multiplied by 3. And then it all gets simplified. Okay, now this one looks really complicated, but it's quite easy if we just break it down. It's x plus 2 cubed, which is the same as x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2. Okay, we know how to deal with 2 lots of these, just not the third. So let's keep one in brackets and expand the others. Now we could do it as a perfect square, or we could do it as rainbows. So we've got x plus 2, so x squared plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x. And then we need to simplify and then multiply again. So we've got x squared plus 4x plus 4 and now everything needs to be multiplied by this. So we end up with x cubed, plus 4x squared plus 4x plus 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. And can we simplify anything? Yes, we can. Six x squared plus 8. Choose a few and have a go. Check your answers. Okay, this is fairly similar to what we just did then. We're going to expand out the double brackets first. So x squared plus x plus 2x. Simplify that down. And then multiply everything by the x that's on the outside of the brackets. So x cubed, x times 3x, x times 2 gives us 2x. Have a go with a couple of those.